Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum 7th class. We were discussing about chapter number 3, which is reproduction in plants. We have discussed about formation of seeds. So today we have to know about formation of fruits. As we know that many plants grow and bear fruit to protect their seeds, and shapes of seeds and fruits help in their dispersal. In plants, a fertilized, fully grown and ripened ovary is a fruit. As the seed develops, the walls of ovary in which it forms thickens and form the fruit, enlarging as the seed grows. So many foods which commonly called vegetables are actually fruits. The ovary contains ovules which develop into seeds upon fertilization. So the ovary itself will mature into a fruit, either dry or fleshy, enclosing the seeds. The fertilized ovule develops into a seed. So actually mature ovule consists of a food tissue covered by one or two future seed coat. So we can say that ovule is the organ that forms the seeds of flowering plants. Some fruits contain single seed and these are usually fleshy, and this may include avocado, peach and mango. Multiple seeds fruits. Not all fruits contain the same number of seeds. Fruits such as tomatoes, cucumbers and melons have lots of seeds. Generally, oranges, apples and pears contain about 10 seeds. The inner ovary wall forms the fruit wall, called the layer pericarp. So the part of a fruit formed from the wall of the ripened ovary is known as pericarp. Some citrus fruits such as grapefruit also have pericarp that separates the fruit into segments containing pulp and seeds. They are not very tasty, but they have a purpose. So the first type of fruit is fleshy fruit. A fleshy fruit consisting of soft tissue. Fleshy fruits include berries, certain vegetables such as eggplant, cucumber, tomatoes, and soft fruits. If collecting seeds from the fleshy fruits, they often need to be freed from surrounding fleshy pulp first and then dried before storing and using. So the second type of fruit have very thick pericarp, such as in dry fruits, the entire pericarp becomes dry at maturity. So there are actually 3 layers of pericarp. The pericarp has 3 layers in most fruits like peaches and mangoes. The outer layer is skin and the middle layer is fleshy. The inner layer is tough or hard. So plants produce fruit to disperse their seeds, and plants do not produce flowers and fruits for us but to protect the seeds and disperse their seeds. Now there is question, which fruits are eaten as vegetables? So in the world of food, there are many plants. Most people consider them as vegetables that are actually fruits. So the most famous example is probably tomato, pumpkin, ladyfinger and chili are some other fruits which are eaten as vegetables. Many plants such as snakeroot and ginger have been used as medicines. Most medicines used today are obtained from plants. Scientists are trying to obtain more medicines from plants. So that is why plants should be protected. You have to highlight this topic, and also it is the answer of long question number 4, which is write a note on fruit. So you have to draw diagram, and on first line you will give the heading of fruit. On the second line you will give the heading of pericarp, and on third line put heading of seed. After that, on next paragraph, write layers of pericarp. Write outer layer on the second line of the second paragraph, and here write middle layer, and in the last line you have to write inner layer as a heading. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.